it comes to luxury SUVs, there are a few names that evoke the same level of excitement and reverence as the Land Cruiser and the G63. These two iconic vehicles have built reputations for themselves as unstoppable forces on and off the road, and for good reason. They're both behemoths of power, style. Choosing between the Land Cruiser and the G63 is like trying to decide between two supermodels. Both are stunning in their own right, but which one gets your heart racing just a little bit more? To make a fair assessment, we need to compare these two titans on equal grounds. So, what criteria will we be using to judge them? For starters, we'll be looking at their performance specs, including horsepower, torque, and acceleration. We'll also be diving into their off-road capabilities, because let's face it, that's where these two vehicles really shine. We'll also be examining their interior and exterior design, because when you're dropping this kind of cash on a vehicle, you want to make sure you're getting something that turns heads. And of course, we'll be taking a close look at their technology and safety features, because even the most rugged off-roaders want to stay connected and protected on the road. By the end of this comparison, we should have a clear winner, but which one will it be?